leaping oh so tall. E is for elephant with a great big trunk. F is for fox sneaking with a slunk. A to Z, wild and free. Come meet the animals with me. G is for giraffe reaching for a leaf. H is for hippo in the river brief. I is for iguana basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, quick and quiet the run. K is for kangaroo, hopping oh so high. L is for lion, king who rules nearby. A to Z, wild and free. Come meet the animals with me. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for newt, hiding in the leaves. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for panda, black and white and bright. Q is for quail, scurrying through the grass. R is for rhino, stomping as they pass. A to Z, wild and free. Come meet the animals with me. S is for snake, sliding on the ground. T is for tiger, striped all around. U is for unicorn, magic in a dream. V is for vulture, soaring high and clean. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for zebra, sunbathing at noon. Y is for yak, shaggy in the cold. Z is for zebra, stripes of black and white to behold. A to